So you guys, you're welcome back. Akahilz. We're live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. So XCC takes aim at high interest crypto lending. So on decentralized finance, article was written by Leo Jacobson. Table of content: we have lucrative but risky. So the SEC and Exchange Securities and Exchange Commission has fired another shot across the bow of high-yield cryptocurrency lending. So BlockFi is being investigated by the SEC over its BlockFi interest account, which offer clients annual yields of as much as 9.5% for packing their cryptocurrency into lending programs. So the problem as the SEC sees it is that these BIAs may be securities. Bloomberg reported on November 17, if so, BlockFi is illegally offering non-registered securities. So the company is also facing scrutiny from a number of state regulators, including Texas, Alabama, Kentucky, and also issued a cease and desist order in its home state, New Jersey. So BlockFi clients can borrow for as little as 4.5%, but they are not FDIC insured like traditional bank savings accounts, which run under 0.5% APY at best, according to bank rates. The many offer far less, with Bloomberg citing the average of 0.06 API. Under new SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, the NJC has been more aggressive in pursuing these financial products. So the SEC recently fired a shot across the board of crypto lending, threatening to sue Coinbase if the public company went ahead with plans to offer a lending product called Coinbase Zen, offering a 4% APY. So after a month of bluster, Coinbase dropped the plan, offering competitors Gemini offered up to 8.05% APY on its Gemini end product at press time, and Celsius offered up to 17% API. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap's blog podcast here. You can check it out on Apple Podcast, Spotify, and Google Podcast. I'll still be leaving a link in the description box so you can get access to it directly here. So crypto lending is lucrative but can be very risky, particularly for borrowers who typically put cryptocurrency worth at least 150% the amount they want to borrow, which is typically taken in stable coins or dollars. This collateral will be sold if its price falls too close to the value of the loan, the process known as margin call. So BlockFi offers US borrowers 9.75% interest rates on loans in which collateral worth 200% of the amount borrowed is put up. The 50% loan to value (LTV) say at 300% container, 35% LTV, borrowers get a 7.9% at 500%. So 20% LTV, finally, borrowers can get up to 5% interest rate. So we have decentralized finance platforms offer rates that widely vary. So in August, Eve offered up to 15% APY, while Compound offer no more than 3%. So guys, these are the analysts, these are the statistics about this whole info. Feel free to like, share, subscribe if you find it helpful. Buy keys, stay safe, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Peace out.